Hello everyone, Austin Mathis here to talk about the reward system for player efficiency in Dead Cells. So right from the get-go, players are given a choice of weapons and their playthrough is immediately timed. They can get ahead of this timing system by chaining kills together quickly and efficiently. This will lead to a set of buffs that increases the character's speed and dodging speed. Here we see it signified by the green up arrows and the lasting orange and red arrow, as well as sparks coming from the character's feet. As it goes away, the arrows flash and it drops down red arrows. So if they can get to the end of a level efficiently or get through it without getting hit for 30 kills, they will unlock one of those two doors or both of them and receive substantial rewards in currency and an extra item. These currencies can be used to spend on current and future playthrough unlocks such as weapons, items, and money reserves for the very start of the next run. Here we see the player trying to unlock another buff that will correspond with the speed buff we saw earlier. And as I mentioned, these abilities and weapons are tied to the upgrading of those stats that correspond with colors. These allow the player to take on heavier situations and get through them faster and more efficiently so that they can meet the time goals required for each level. And we see simple things like being able to burn the ground when you run is an extremely helpful item to have picked up. But it doesn't always save the character, and sometimes you have to die. So when that happens, many of the boons that had been unlocked from the previous playthrough will transfer over, seen here in the 10,000 gold pieces in the start, but no items in the inventory or stats. And here we also see vials of unlocked items for this current playthrough. Now once the player gets to the end of a particular level, they will be given a choice to mutate and receive more bonuses that more efficiently increase the player's ability to deal with obstacles, enemies, and get to the end of the level faster. So with these abilities like healing yourself and doing more damage, the player has the option to upgrade certain stats for either survivability or raw damage. And here we see the payoff for more of a raw damage, fast moving kind of build that the player can take advantage of single to double hits to get rid of enemies and clear things out quickly. And the damage buff is signified by the sword there. Some of these upgrades also come from bosses and include things like the wall run right here that make getting around much more smooth and efficient for the player. And I think these systems are a lot of fun because a lot of replayability happens in this kind of a game where you earn boons for running through on the next run or unlock new items that you never got a chance to use before. And all those tools don't always save the player, but it does make for a fun system. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks.